Hi everyone, I'm Hendrika here. I am at Knickknacks Nursery and Gifts in Caboolture, and guess what I found? This is exciting. This is a real working vintage cash register. And yeah, we're gonna see it work. Look at how beautiful this thing has been totally restored. Look at this thing. Look at this. Perfectly restored. Oh my god. Pristine condition all around. Some more? Woo! Check out the inside of this machine. Oh, we got an exclusive access to this old-fashioned cash register. Ah, incredible.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Thank you so much.
Welcome.